Part 6.3, Working with IT, Security, Compliance, and Integration. Why IT collaboration is critical? While your finance team brings essential expertise, knowing the process, the rules, and the desired outcome, a successful automation project requires a second, equally critical type of expertise. This is where your IT partners come in. They understand the landscape of system architecture, data security protocols, regulatory compliance requirements, and technical integration limits. Thinking of IT as a mere order taker or a roadblock is a recipe for failure. True success comes from a partnership, not siloed work. They ensure your brilliant automation is also secure, compliant, and reliably connected to the rest of your company's digital ecosystem. Key topics to discuss with IT. To build this partnership, engage IT early and have clear discussions around 3 pillars. First, security. This is paramount. You need to discuss who will have permission to run or modify the automation. How are system credentials, like logins for the ERP, stored and managed securely, never hard-coded in a script? What data encryption and access controls will be in place to protect the financial data flowing through the automated process? Second, compliance. Your automation must adhere to the same rules as a manual process. Talk about regulatory requirements. Can the automation generate a clear audit trail of its actions? How does it align with data privacy laws like GDPR? Does it uphold your company's internal control standards, like SOX? It can help design these controls in from the start. Third, integration. This is about how the automation connects to your core systems, like your ERP or database. Will it use official application programming interfaces, APIs, which are more stable and secure, or will it rely on interacting with the user interface, screen scraping, which can be more fragile? You also need to consider the impact on system performance and stability. Involving IT early in these conversations prevents major rework or technical dead ends later. Let's talk about a practical mindset for finance teams. To make this collaboration smooth, you don't need to become a tech expert. Instead, adopt this practical mindset. A. Articulate the why. Clearly explain the business need, the pain point, and the desired outcome. You are the subject matter expert. B. Understand basic constraints. Be open to learning about basic technical limitations, why some systems can't talk directly to others, or why certain data access methods are unsafe. C. Be open to guidance, respect. It's expertise on the how. They may suggest a different, more secure or sustainable technical approach to achieve the same business goal. D. Focus on outcomes. The goal is a working, secure, compliant automation that solves your problem. Be flexible on the specific tools or methods, provided they deliver that result. Think of it as a bridge. You own one side, the business process and requirements. It owns the other side, the technical infrastructure and standards. Successful automation is the bridge you build together,